Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Car Wow. How you all doing? So I've got an interesting drag race for you today. I'm sat in the BMW M340i Touring, and next to me is the Audi RS4. Two fast estate cars. That's obviously a full fat RS. This is a M Light version, but they're still quite closely matched when you think about it. So this has a 3-litre straight 6 turbo with 374 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. It's got all-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic gearbox, launch control. Costs 50 grand. That costs 65 grand, but you do get more performance. It's got a 2.9 litre twin turbo V6 with 450 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. It also has all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox and launch control, and it weighs exactly the same as this, 1750 kilos. I just want to see how close this BMW can run that Audi. I think the Audi will win. Now, before we get on with the race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, do you like this? Look, check this out. If you want one, click on the pop-out banner up there to order one from our merch store. Oh, I forgot to mention, I've got my pal driving. It's Joe Achilles. You can check out his channel. It's Joe Achilles. The link's in the description. How you doing, Joe? You all right, mate? You ready?
Absolutely, mate. Bring it on.
You're normally the BMW guy, right?
Although you are starting to turn over to Audis now. I don't know what that is, but you've got the quicker car, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm a bit suspicious about, because historically it would be Matt Watson in the winning.
Don't know what he's going to say. No idea.
He's just going on about me talking too much by the looks of things.
Yeah, I'm sure Joe's just probably going to rabbit on about how I'm always in the fast.
Currently it is sunny in Brackley with a temperature of 12 degrees.
Thanks a lot for that. Anyway, he's probably going to say how I'm always in the quicker car, but not this time. But I think it's going to be close.
1.
And you're back in the room, Joe.
Let's go, mate. Let's go. Bring it on.
All right, well, let's see what happens. Right, let's get ready to race. But before we do, let's just compare the sound that both these two engines make. So I'm going to start off with mine, the BMW. Oh, it lets you rev all the way up to the red line, even when you're stationary. Joe, let's have a listen to your Audi. Can you rev your Audi, please?
Very funny, Matt. There's a soft limiter on this. Typical Audi.
But your car sounded pretty good, and it sounded like it revved all the way up to the red line. I mean, who would have thought?
It's like this is scripted, it's not. We just say the same things. We're so boring. Anyway, let's stop being boring and get on with the race.
3, 2, 1.
Beat him off the line.
Look at the launch on that.
Can he catch me? Oh crap, he might. Come on, BMW. Come on. Come on, you can do it. I think I won that, Joe.
Wow, I'm impressed.
I think you were a little bit slower to react than me, to be fair.
I think I launched just in time with you, but it just spun up.
Basically, you can have too much power, and it had a bit too much power, yours did, and it lost traction, whereas mine put all of its power onto the road, and that's what mattered.
Yeah, well, you know, I knew you were in that car
For a reason, man. It's almost like you knew it was good.
Shut up! I'll tell you what, I'll give you another go, just to be certain, okay? Otherwise, Audi won't lend me a car again.
3, 2, 1.
Beat him off the line again. Oh, it's closer this time.
Oh, that's better.
He did a better start that time. Nah, he put all his power down.
That's not what I expected. You managed to get the power down that time, didn't you? Yeah, that was lovely.
Still, it didn't destroy you. Not in the way I was hoping to.
Oh, I really thought that the second go I beat you. I'd ask for best 2 out of 3, but there's probably no point really. Best 2 out of 3, just because, shall we?
As if I'm going to say no to that.
Best 2 out of 3.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Yes!
Crap, his reactions are on it now.
See you later.
Bugger off.
Your launch aim was just perfect.
Sorry, could you just say that one more time, mate? I missed it.
Yeah, very funny, very funny.
I think the RS4 has just redeemed itself well and truly.
That is one seriously quick car. This is quick though, 15 grand less, doesn't feel 15 grand slower.
Totally agree.
Do you know what all the BMW fanboys are doing right now? They are in the comments right now going, oh, just wait till you bring the blooming new M3, the new M4, we'll show Audi, blah, 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 blah. You can just, they're writing it now. But please carry on, guys, because it's all good. It all helps the video rank, so carry on.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Audi did the standing quarter mile in 12.1 seconds. And the BMW took 12.4 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race, 50 miles an hour, cars in comfort and automatic. I'm going to count it in.
3, 2, 1.
Go! Let's kick down quicker. Even though they're the same gearbox in terms of the mechanicals, BMW programmed theirs really well, as now he's coming past. But it took him some speed to get past. You have to be going quite quickly to get past me there, mate.
Isn't it interesting? Same gearbox, but I honestly think that BMW calibrate the throttle and the gearbox
Just better, and the response on the throttle for a kickdown especially is just, it just showed there you got that initial jump. Don't pull a silly face, Matt.
God, I mean, that's really insightful.
I'll tell you about yourself.
It's like deja vu. You know, I was saying exact same thing just moments before.
Oh!
We're so boring, aren't we, Joe? We're so boring. We know the script.
Right, let's do the next one then. So this time, everything in sporty setting, manual mode in the gearbox.
Here we go. 3, 2.
1, go. Good throttle response. That one's great as well. Yeah, it's showing its superior torque and power. That's all we need to know about this. Finally then, we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. Which car will brake in the shortest distance? No. I think the biggest difference between these cars is in the braking, don't you?
Yeah, I'd have to agree. This is unbelievable on the brakes.
This was okay on the brakes. It's almost a car's length difference, which is the difference between having a bit of a nasty accident and not having one at all, isn't it?
It is, mate, it is. But more importantly, how many wins is that for me in the RS4? I'm just
Trying to figure it out. It's surely not 3, is it? It's basically a clean sweep. I won an initial drag race just because of luck.
And then, yeah, you just won everything. So any claims that I always drive the winning car are completely unfounded and unfair, I think you'll find. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Also, let me know of other drag races you'd like to see in the comments box below, and ensure you subscribe to this channel. And check out Joe's as well, Joe Achilles. Anyway, last thing, don't forget about the merch, guys. Go check it all out. We've got some cool designs. It's in the carousel below the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.